Hi guys, I'm Nayan and Zeka. So today I'll be sharing with you guys how I make my fake nails at home quick and easy. So let's just jump right into the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for clicking on this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So I'll be showing you how I make my fake nails at home. So the first thing I did was go in with a cuticle remover to take out all those dead skin, and then I went in with a scissors because my nails was actually like a bit long, so I had to cut them out. So now besides I'll be making use of this nail. It's actually a plastic nail, it's a fake nail, and I'll be putting aside the ones that are like actually my nail size. That's what I'm doing here. I'm trying to pick out the ones that fits my nails perfectly. After picking them out and setting them aside, then I go ahead to give them that shape I want. Once I'm doing my nails myself, I first of all do my my right hand, because I can make use of my right hand to fix my nails to my left hand, but I can't make use of my left hand to fix to the right, if that makes sense. So what I'm doing here is that I'm filing the nails to the shape I want. I'm trying to make achieve a coffin shape, or the A shape if that's what they call it. So I'll be making use of a glue. Now after filing them, because I didn't like the shape in which they came in, after filing them, now I'm trying to I went ahead to glue them down to my nails. Now onto my left hand. It is very easy for me to do my left hand because I'm obviously using my right hand for that. So what I'll be doing here is I'll be filing the edges because I want them to be like really flat, and then I went ahead to attach it with the glue, and then I just had to attach the rest to my nails. I finished attaching everything, so time to give this other hand the shape I want. So I'll be going in with the scissors. I just had to cut off the tip a little bit, just give it a little, not too much. I just had to cut off a bit, and then I went in with the file to give it that A shape I want, or some people call it coffin, but I think it's still the same thing. So I had to file. filing, this is what they look like. I'm not a professional for me, so this is just how I make my nails at home. So I went in with a cotton wool and a nail dissolver to just clean it up and make it look neat as possible. And now I'll be going in with my paint. So after painting, I had to go in with the paint. Like I did this like 3 times because I wanted the color to pop, and I also wanted like a very like thick base. And I also went in with this clear nail polish to give it that glossy look and that pop. And this is the final look. I really love how glossy it came out. So this is how I make my fake nails at home, quick and easy. Please remember to subscribe to my channel if you're just watching my video for the first time. Like this video, comment, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.